Hey everyone, we're staying at the Sheraton Kauai Coconut Beach Resort. This is the main entrance off the highway, and you can see why they call it Coconut Beach. There's a Long's drugstore right in front of the property, and a huge parking lot for all the guests. Just down the access road in front of the property, there's an ABC store. This is the main drive-up entrance. And this is the walk-up entrance from the parking lot. They have bikes available for use if you'd like to ride along the beach or into town. Like most Hawaiian hotels, there are no doors. The entrance is open air. At the main entrance is valet, bellhop, and an activities desk, where you can book kayaking, helicopter tour, and other adventures. The open air continues all the way to the back of the hotel, out to the pool. This is the cafe and buffet area, which is right next to the pool. Pastries, Starbucks, and other delicious things. Full buffet, all you can eat. This is the dining room seating, which is also poolside and ocean view. And yes, the chickens roam through the dining room. Alright, this is turning from the dining area out toward the pool and the ocean. The building is actually U-shaped, with the pool area in the middle. As you can tell by the wet concrete, it just rained, which is not uncommon for Kauai or this area, Kapaa. Check out that beautiful Kauai sunrise. There's plenty of seating, lounge chairs, and day beds next to the pool. The pool itself is meant for wading. There is no deep end. There's also a hot tub at the edge of the property. This is the beachfront view looking back at the hotel. There are several oceanfront umbrellas and day beds for use. This beach, however, is not very swim friendly. There's coral reef right offshore, and it's usually quite windy here. Okay, heading back onto the property, and they do check for wristbands. There's a bar and grill that's poolside, where you can get your margaritas, Mai Tais, and typical bar food. The outside is the main picture, but a quick view of our room here. Just a simple 2-queen bedroom, TV, cabinets, closet, standard bathroom, a chair for seating, and a small desk. We're on the ground floor. There's a small lanai that borders the property. Seating area, and looks out to the ocean.